The EarthQuaker device's white light draws its inspiration loosely from the classic overdrive pedal sounds of the early 70s. In this case, the MXR Distortion Plus and the DoD 250. This pedal has been out of production for some time now, so if you want a new one, you might be out of luck. We have worked with EarthQuaker to revive the white light as a kit. Genuine EQD circuit boards and components are used for an accurate build. Our detailed instructions break the kit into easy-to-follow steps. And if you happen to need assistance, our tech support team can answer any questions you might have and get you back on the right track. Time to plug it in. Definitely the sound of the 70s. I love it. Okay, so the white light has very simple to use controls. It has a gain knob, which controls the distorted sound of the pedal. It has a level, which of course is the volume. Then it has a weight control, and what the weight control does is adds more bass and saturation as you turn it up. There's also a compression switch here, and when the compression switch is in the plus mode, it gives you a more compressed sound with reduced highs and mid-range. And then when it's in the less position, it gives you a more open sound with a better top end. I like this one a lot. Can I keep this one?